Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is a very simple way to do something kind of crazy and fun. But super easy. Honestly, drawing a snake on your face is not as hard as it would seem, and you can honestly use whatever color you want. I think a black snake would look super cool, blue, whatever color eyeliner that you have. It's really fun to try this out, and if you do, please DM me a picture because that would be so cute. I would love to see all of your recreations. And I also wanted to say thank you to everyone who has entered the giveaway. It means the world to me. All of your support means so much to me, and I really genuinely wish I could give all of you guys a big hug and a big thank you from the bottom of my heart because I love you guys. And if you want to see how I got this snake eye, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm starting out with just my foundation on. So yesterday, twice, I tried drawing a dragon on my face. I was trying to do something artistic, and apparently I forgot how to draw. So I still eventually want to do that, but I'm just going to take it baby steps, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a snake. So I'm going to be using this Kylie Jenner red liquid eyeliner. It was from her holiday collection. And I suggest for art to use a thin brush. This brush is pretty thin, as you can see, because if you use too thick of a brush then you can't really get details. So just be careful with that. And if you are going to be using a pigment and just like mixing it and applying it with like a little liner brush, be sure to use a very thin one. I suggest this sooooo Beauty 630 brush. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it on this eye. And I'm going to just start the line of the snake. I just realized this is my tattoo. Yeah, I'm basic. Under the eye is so hard. I already messed up, but it's okay because I'm gonna be able to fix that. Right guys? I'm gonna be able to fix it. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the under eye. So my face is gonna have to be like this in order for me to work on it. So now that I'm gonna be like this and it's gonna look super creepy, I'm gonna work on the snake part. The snake. Did I just say the snake part? I don't know what I'm talking about. So I would suggest, because normally gravity is pulling our faces down, if you are in an area with a lot of wrinkles, try going upwards if downwards isn't working for you. So I'm going to try to go up. You line up, so I'm lining up exactly where the line of the body would continue, right there. And now I'm going to create a little bit of a, why am I closing this eye? This is going to be hard, guys. Like this. I don't know why am I like, I'm so nervous. I think because I messed up yesterday, my nerves are like on another level right now. I shouldn't be nervous though. It'll be fine. It's just a snake. And fun fact, I drew this, like the stencil for the tattoo artist. It was inspired by a different photo, but I thought it was cool because I drew it. It's not that cool, it's just a snake. I can't even draw one now, so. Hi. I'm I'm so happy I didn't put any foundation on my eyelids, so I can just wipe that away. And I would suggest, if you are doing this, don't put anything on your eyebrows or eyelids for the time being, just so you can do that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna sit back in my chair because going like this is making it harder. So I'm gonna just sit back and relax and try to do the head. Okay, I think I got the shape. I just have to fix it up a bit. It doesn't look bad, right? I don't really know. It doesn't look bad. It's fine. We're going with it. So I realized I wasn't recording that. But literally all I'm doing is random streaks. Kind of like in the places where there would be shadows, like in the creases. I'm adding a bit more. But just kind of like random streaks all over. Kind of adding definition, but at the same time it not being precise at all. I was gonna do scales, but I kind of like this look a little bit more, just personally. But scales are not gonna be hard to do. And I'm just gonna darken up that tongue. What should we name the snake? Leave a comment down below what you think we should name this little baby snake. This one's name is Luna, by the way. This is Luna, and this is Luna's big sister. So for the rest of the makeup, I'm probably going to leave my lips super natural. And then I think I'm just gonna apply more mascara. Let me see. I'm probably gonna put eyebrow gel, mascara, maybe I'll put a little something in my crease on this eye, and then lips, and we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys that super quick, and then we're done. Alrighty, so I'm gonna just do my cheeks real quick. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color B, which is this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put that onto my cheeks. Well, this cheek, not my other one. And I'm gonna bring it along my nose, and then I'll just put it like there. Whatever. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and take that same shade from the blush palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my crease on this eye. Just a light amount. I'm just gonna kind of feather it out. I'm gonna just put it on the outer part of this eye as well. And then for underneath the eye, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is the shade Tau. It's T-A-U. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that underneath my eye. Someone's upset. And just drag it out. And now I'm gonna take this pink mascara from ColourPop in the shade Pink Ink. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lower lashes. I don't know if you'll be able to see it that much. Just like that. Up close, you can kind of tell a difference, as you can see right there. And then for eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and brush with my Milk Kush Clear Eyebrow Gel. I'm just going to brush these eyebrows up and then lay them a little down. Just like that. And then last but not least, oh no wait, mascara. I'm going to go in with another layer of mascara on my lashes. I'm using the Milk Kush mascara. Okay. Let me get this little chunk. And now, last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come in close and I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to only overline my Cupid's bow. And the bottom of my lip. And then I'm going to just drag out that line. And now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Diamond Lip Balm in the shade Femme Fatale. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my lips. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is honestly a very simple way to just do something creative when it comes to makeup without really... It's not super complex to do. It's not like the dragon I was trying to do before. It's a little bit easier. You just kind of draw a squiggly line. I would say, honestly, you didn't even have to do the head. If you just did the tail and then maybe just did like a head of a snake coming out the other eye, that would be really, really cool. I should have done that. I don't know why I didn't do that. But I like how this looks. But it is super easy. Now remember, this video is up on Thursday, July 2nd. Is that finger up? July 2nd. And my giveaway ends July 3rd. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And on my last post, which I have like a white eyeliner situation going on, go ahead and comment 2 of your friends and just tag them in the post, and you will be automatically entered into the giveaway. And if you want to see all of the items that are in the giveaway, go ahead and watch my video 2 videos ago. I believe it says giveaway. So you can go ahead and watch that to know what you are in to win. And I just wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone who's commenting, everyone who's DMing me, everyone who's showing me so much love, because it means the world to me. And I will see you guys on Sunday.